Hey my beauties, welcome back. So today I'm here again to show you how to deep clean your makeup brushes easily and with super affordable products. So I'll show you how to clean your makeup brushes easily at home. So I have these makeup brushes. They are my face brush, lip brush and everything else. Also I'll show you how to clean your makeup like any sponge or any beauty blender or any perfector that you use. So I'm going to clean this and my brushes. So let's get started with the video. So every brush has its own style of cleaning. Its style of cleaning depends on the type of brush we use and how we use it on our face. For example, this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Now this brush needs to be clean in the way that I use it on my face. Now how I use it on my face is in this motion, like in circular motion. So the same way I'm going to clean it. Another brush that I have is this blush brush. So I use it like this, swiping it upwards on my cheek. So I'll clean it like this in the same soiled motions. And same I'm going to wash and clean my powder brush and my blush brush. Next I have my eye brushes. Now this is my eyeshadow brush. This is plain flat brush. So I'll use it. I'll just wash it in this motion. Next I have my blending brush. I'll just wash it in this motion. Next I have my lip filler. I'll wash it in this motion. Now I have this lip liner. This is very thin. It has very thin layer. It is very thin layer, so it will be clean in this motion. And again another brush. This is again a lip liner in this motion. And this gel liner brush by Maybelline. It has a lot of liner. So for this kind of brushes which has liner on, I'll show you another trick to deep clean it. So starting off with the concoction, I'm going to make a concoction or a DIY cleanser for my brushes. So the concoction will be made of two ingredients. The first one is this baby shampoo that is from Johnson's. This is a very mild shampoo, and what we need for our brushes is a mild thing. So I'm going to use this Johnson's mild baby shampoo. Another thing that I'm going to use is this Dove conditioner. This one is the Intense Repair conditioner. You can use any conditioner. It should be a mild one. So I'll just mix them both. I have to use one part of this conditioner and two parts of the shampoo. So let's make the concoction. Taking some of this shampoo and adding one part of this conditioner. Now mix them both thoroughly. To get a nice smooth paste. Be very gentle with the brushes as they tend to lose their hair. Now, just taking this concoction, dipping your brush into the bun and start rotating it on your hands. Remember guys, I told you previously, this liner brush. Now this is full of gel liner and it's very hard at its end. So to clean them is a very messy thing. Now it can't be cleaned thoroughly with just the concoction. So I have to break down the particles at first, all that it has. Then for that I'm going to take some of this coconut oil on my palm and we'll dip the brush into the oil, and you can see how nicely it breaks down the particles of this brush. Now this brush will be easy to clean. See, as you can see how much liner it already had. With plain water first, and then dip it into the same concoction that you made and sort it. Now see, there's no much dirt left, it's just the deep cleaning of the brush. Now for the makeup perfector or the makeup sponges or the beauty blenders like these, you have to be very gentle with them and clean them like really softly so that they don't get destroyed. First soak them into the water, squeeze out all the excess water, taking some of the concoction like on my palm and just massage it. One by one we'll start off with washing the brushes. Guys, you have to be very careful with this brush head. Now this is the area where there's the glue stick where the bristles are attached. So you have to be very careful that the water should not go there. So under the flowing water I'll start to wash the brushes. The cleaning, place them on a table like this with all the bristles out and let them dry completely. So with that I complete the DIY makeup brushes deep cleaning. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.